Okay, this is a three-sided child's desk size sneeze guard. It's 23.5 inches wide, 23.5 tall, and it's I think 10 or 11 inches wide. And it will ship flat, and the sides pop up, and it's designed to set on a piece of Velcro like that and like that, and there you have a child's sneeze guard. So it fits a desk. Different style here, has corner braces instead of a long piece. This is super glued on. When it arrives, you just bead a super glue and push the brace on so that it has a surface that you can Velcro to the tabletop. And in this model, we cut a hole for any computer wires for the student. This is a notch at the top to hang a mask. And like I said, this is a different style with a corner piece. And this is where you hang your mask, is right on top there. So they're three-sided. And they can be made to any size that you like.